Hello everyone, today we're gonna see a Hive review. Hive is all-in-one productivity platform designed for teams that want flexible project management tools, real-time collaboration and integrated communications all in one dashboard. It's best for teams of all sizes that need customizable workflows and built-in communication tools. You can find it on web, desktop, mobile. Pricing is free, and also there is themes from $12 per user per month or enterprise with a custom pricing. You can have multiple project views like Gantt, Kanban, calendar, table, etc. and switch between them. Real-time chat and email integration, and you can assign a track workloads across team members. You have the ability to automate recurring tasks, and AI-powered Hive Mind can draft emails, create tasks, and summarize meetings. There are forms, notes, and proofing, and you can integrate with over 1,000 tools like Google Workspace, Outlook, Zoom, Asana, etc. It is highly customizable, combines project management, chat, and email in one place, fast UI, excellent for marketing, operations across functional teams, and it has a strong reporting and analytics capabilities. Although it can be overwhelming for new users, mobile app experience is not as smooth as the desktop version. Some users report occasional performance issues, and AI features are useful but still maturing. So Hive is a powerful alternative for Asana, Monday.com, or ClickUp, especially if you value integrated communication and team collaboration. It's ideal for teams that juggle multiple workflows and want everything: tasks, messages, files, and schedules in one place. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.